you like to thrive in one of the most profitable businesses in the world?
Do you enjoy people?
Are you creative and have lots of energy?
Then let Kirtland's Cosmetology program prepare you. With our state-of-the-art facilities and qualified instructors, we will sharpen the skills you'll need with hands-on training in one of the best cosmetology programs in Michigan.
We take stock in what the industry and the cosmetology world and the employers are actually looking for. Customer service and satisfaction, technical skills, and the business management portion of it.
When you've got great skills and great training, you'll be primed for success and highly sought after. Whether you're looking to work as a hairdresser, hair colorist, skincare specialist, makeup artist, nail technician, or even to own your own salon. At Kirtland, training goes beyond state board qualifications.
We have a 100% pass rate, so that's pretty amazing. We make sure that our students are very well prepped for state board.
In this hands-on program, 80% of what you learn comes in the cosmetology lab using a combination of training methods.
We work on clients all day and we get to work on each other. It makes you less anxious about what's going to happen when you leave school. It's something you know what you're going to do because you're already doing it.
We talk about upselling, retailing, social media, the client atmosphere. We try to tie in everything that employers are going to want and not just state boards.
Plus, valuable partnerships with experts in the field will give you a look into the real-life salon experience.
This is an amazing program.
You can get your cosmetology certificate in as little as 13 months. Your future looks great.
I can start work immediately. That's the plan.